This is the start of quite a climb. Let's see, elevation we are currently sitting at 145 meters. By the time we get to the top of the hill here, you can't even see the trees on this angle. There's the trees smack bang in the middle of the screen. No, they're not. It's more to the right here, we can't see them. So basically, over these power lines, this power line pole in the middle here, that's where we're headed. Let's go. Time for some speed. Speed and agility. Oh yeah, better. On the next set of bends, I'm going to have a up to this lazy hips bend, little ramp, and then the climbing begins. See that hut up there? That's where we're headed. First we've got to tackle this.